Yo, what is good, YouTube? I just recorded like half the video and I wasn't even I wasn't even recording it. Just such a silly thing of me to do. But yo, what is good? Today is August 14th. It is a little bit later into the session. It's currently 3 p.m. But I don't know if I should start with the recap or with my P&L for today. I think I'll show y'all the video first, and then from there we'll go ahead and talk about the trades I took. So as we can see, right here I got in shorts. Let me go ahead and move this for y'all real quick. I got in shorts, as y'all can see, on both my accounts. Let me go ahead and move my camera to the right so y'all could see that, because I think I mess with being on the right side more. Alright, so y'all can see I got in shorts. I had closed it out. I got instantly stopped out. The next time I had gotten okay, yeah, right here I got instantly stopped out, which y'all are about to see. We just instantly ran up. I think that was my first trade of the day, and then I got in shorts again, and as you can see, it did run. The shorts did run. We were up a bag a little bit. As you can see, we are up a bag on this trade right here. Right, longs, shorts were nice today. I think I made like a band on them. Right, nice. And then right after I took longs, we ended up popping. Right, we could see the longs. I took sells at the New York AM high, which I'll go ahead and explain. There was I got stopped at a profit, and then right here I think a little bit later I got in longs again. As you can see, I had gotten longs again, and I got stopped out, and then I think that's it. No, I got in longs again. Wow, you're a bad boy. These longs did low-key start playing out. Did I go break even? I think I went break even off this one. I did go break even. Okay, so and then I got in longs again. Holy, I got in longs again. And I got stopped out. Okay, I think that was my last play of the day. That was the last play of the day I took. So let's go ahead and just break down those executions. As you can see, those are right here. And I did have some executions during Asia, which I'll talk about real quick. So Asia session, we had tagged into, let me just, for Asia, we had this hourly gap on Asia session right here, and then we had this 4-hour gap. Let me just do this to clear it up a little bit. So yeah, we had this hourly gap right here, and we had a 4-hour gap right here. We had this Asia low. I thought we were gonna tag into the gap. I thought we would tag into the gap and then run lower. So right here is those executions. Since I did replay, you can't see it, but let me just go back. So yeah, we tapped into that hourly, which is what I marked out here. I tried shorts right here, and I think I pulled it pretty quickly, 31.58 and 165. Yeah, so I got out pretty quickly. I could see that we were in this accumulation zone. Right, I at first I had liked this sweep. I don't know when I first got on the chart, but at first I liked this sweep that we had, and I thought we were just gonna run off this displacement. So I had got in shorts. I didn't like the way it looked, and we also respected this bullish gap right here, and so I had got out. Right, right here, if we were bearish, we would have flipped this gap and we would have ran to this break even that I had marked out. I then got in shorts again, and I think I got break even. 159, 164. So essentially break even on this play. Oh no, okay, I apologize. I was down $268 with these two plays. Off this play and off this play, I took a $268 loss. I then got in shorts again off this resweep of these highs right here within the hourly 1 minute inverse. I should have taken my TP here, but I really liked where the 4 hour was, and I thought we would have came and tagged this 4 hour overnight, and I ended up getting break even on this play. So I took a $268 loss in Asia, and then this short was a break even, which is pretty disappointing because I mean were we close? We were 24 points away. It would have been a good play to wake up to, but I got break even on that play. And then we come into the morning, which is where we can actually like start talking about market. But coming into this morning, I was bullish, but I needed to find a way to come tag these hourly gaps that we had down here. We have this hourly, we have this hourly, and then we have our session lows, and we also have this 4 hour gap, right? Those are our prominent gaps of the day. As y'all could see, we have this first hourly, which is what I was just talking about. We have the second one. I have this second one marked out because I do think it's a bigger POI compared to this first one. Price is more likely to rebalance to the first hourly gap instead of this tinier hourly. So that's why I had this one marked out, and I was more so interested in seeing this one get hit and respected than this one getting hit and being respected. And since I knew this hourly was a draw, and we also had this low that failed to tag it, I knew like it was just such an obvious play, and it's like, how do I get involved, right? So coming into the open, we had this 5 minute gap, which y'all can see right here, and I was gonna take Judas shorts, as y'all saw based off the video or I showed y'all of today's session. I got in shorts. We manipulated in, and right here I didn't see any gap to inverse, but I saw people online saying that there was a gap, and I think it's this one. I didn't see this gap, but I like shorts, and I took this play without a gap, just anticipating that we were going to go hit the draw. And as y'all saw in the video, we did run, right? But I need to be honest with y'all, I didn't take it off of any gap. I just liked the displacement, and I liked the way it looked, and I thought that we would end up running to the draws below us. So I didn't break my rules. It was actually a great play, and I took profit on it too. So this first play of today was a dub, right? And then right here, what happened? We tagged this first hourly, and we tagged the second hourly, which is exactly what I said I wanted to see. Now I was kind of upset that we didn't continue to run to this 4 hour, and based off of, let me go back to the video 1 second, y'all. Okay, so as y'all can see from right here, when we were running, I set my break even at this hourly, right? And I should have, honestly, I should have pulled, knowing that we could have potentially gotten a Judas out of these hourly gaps, and I have too much market experience to not pull that. You feel me? Especially when it's a band and 1300 on the table. That would have been a great day for me, right? But I just thought we would have hit the 4 hour. I thought we accumulated so much. I thought we accumulated we accumulated so much, and I just thought this 4 hour would have had so much pull, especially with these London and Asia lows below us, to the point where we just fall straight to it. 70 points away with this displacement. I don't know, I liked it. Obviously there are 2 bullish gaps ahead of it, so maybe I should keep that in mind. And then obviously the second play, we get an hourly Judas, 30-second Judas, which is what y'all saw me take. And then there, I was targeting this New York AM high from a minute ago. I was targeting an AM high from July 2nd, which is crazy. That's been a minute, huh? I was targeting these 2 highs that we have right here, and to me, I don't think that's a crazy play to target or a crazy draw to target. You feel me? Right here we could see that we're slowly trending towards it. Right, we are slowly trending towards those highs. And I just like, it's right here, like, you feel me, it's right here. Prior to market opening, we were 6 points away from sweeping it. So coming in, it's now like, okay, I think this high is gonna get taken. I think this high that I had marked out is gonna get taken too. And then we swept it the first time, and we retrace lower. We come back up, and I'm like, okay, I'm super confident we're gonna hit it now, and then we just don't hit it. So I didn't get the full delivery that I was supposed to get off that trade. Let me go ahead and move this over, and then right here, I so after the second trade, I was in P's for the day, so I could have ended my trading day. But then right here, since I got stopped out in profit, I thought that was just a retracement, and I thought we were gonna finally end up sweeping the high. So I had re-entered, and then I got stopped out, and then so let me go ahead and delete that one. But that was what this play was, and then we had a 1 minute inverse, and I thought we were gonna take out the highs again, and I got break even on this play, right? And I think by this play I was up. Okay, right here I had taken a loss, so I was down 200 on the day after these two plays. I was up. I took this play, then I was down 200. So I probably should have stopped right there, but I don't know. It just seems like such an obvious draw. You feel me? Like, it just seems like such an obvious draw with these highs that we're making, and then we just ended up falling all day. So let me show y'all boys P&L real quick. If y'all remember yesterday, some reason my first account didn't, or the second copier account didn't copy for some reason, and today we took a loss, as y'all saw. So one account is down 600, and for some reason this account is down 637. So I don't know what's wrong with Trade Copia or the copying, but there's definitely been a discrepancy today, and obviously yesterday something happened, and so now this account is one trade away from failing. This account has 3 trades left, and I'm not worried. I've been trading good. Once again, I took 2 wins today, this one and this one, and today I would blame it on bad take profit placement, because this was 1K right here, and this was another 1K. Today could have been a great day, and coming into today, I did want to like be heavy-handed on market today, and I feel like I had the opportunity to with these 2 free plays that I caught, and I just ended up not being able to capitalize due to just I want to say bad take profit placement, but it's like, for this one, the first shorts, okay, bad take profit placement, thinking we're gonna hit the 4 hour when there's 2 hourlies that I obviously had marked out, is kind of silly. That one's kind of bad, but I still took P's, you feel me? So it's not even the worst thing in the world. This one, I think I'm completely innocent on. Like, this draw's right here. We're obviously showing that we're gonna edge it, you feel me? And we just failed to do that. So I'm not even mad about this one. This one, should I have been trading again? No. This one, I did. We're coming out of an hourly bullish gap, and we're trending towards these highs that I've been had marked out. I thought we were gonna hit it. Like, God forbid, I think we're gonna go sweep highs that we've been edging all day. So, I actually didn't even do a recap on today's trade. But I guess I'll do it right now, and then I'll come back to y'all with that. Here is the recaps for today. Crazy day. 2 wins and a loss. Obviously, weekly recap, we are 5-3-3 on the week. Obviously, some of those were evals taking us into these funded accounts. But all in all, I think it was overall a good week. Obviously, the mishap on Wednesday with my accounts not copying really takes a toll on a person. And then today, obviously, two winning trades, and we still end up down 600 on the day. That sucks. So yeah, we do need to be better. And I think that's pretty much it. Did I show y'all P&L? I think I did. And let me just go ahead and drop this in here for the week. I don't even know what I took on Wednesday. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know what Wednesday's trade was that I'm down 2K on. Okay, I remember. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's recap. I hope your boys caught a dub. If not, keep grinding. Same message every day. I hope your boys enjoy the weekend. Sports are back. Enjoy yourself. Yeah. Peace out, y'all.